Morning guys, and welcome back to Daily Vlog. Now today I'm in the bakery, as you probably guessed, and unfortunately sometimes when you're working away it's like having a little Kenwood mixer or one of those kitchen chefs. The same problem happens. Suddenly you hear a bit of a noise and you think, oh, what the hell's that? Well, the same problem lies with me. I'm working away and I'm getting tap, 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 and I'm thinking, what on earth's that? And when you're halfway through a bread dough, you think, oh, what? You think the worst. Now, I'll show you exactly what's happened. And this is the belt from the machine. So this is the machine. Okay, excuse all the flare, guys. I have been working. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to take off the side and have a look inside, and just to see. If it's an easy job, then I'll order the parts and repair it. But from my point of view, it don't look that bad. So this is the panel I've got to undo. I've got to take those 6 bolts off and have a look inside. And hopefully it's going to be a simple job. But whenever you say it's going to be a simple job, isn't there usually going to be a problem along the way? Well, what I'm going to do is whip off the side and have a look. So let's have a look inside. Hopefully this is going to be easy, but one assumes nothing's that simple. It's not a thing you usually do. As you can see, it shows you the belts in here, so this obviously is the belt drive bit. Normally, people would get an engineer for this job, but by the time you phoned up and ordered an engineer and mucked around, you could just as well pop it off yourself, and that's not coming off that easy. And the last one. Right, will it come off easy? Oh, will it? Does it, Al? Sod's law. Let's prise it out. Let's pop that in there. Now, it's not going to come out that easy, is it? And that's why they say to get an engineer in. So let's just tap it a bit. This part's never been off the machine, so, whoa, crap in there. So apart from the cobwebs and the crap that's in here, that's all the belts that drive the machine. Obviously, I'm assuming that's the, and this, yeah, and it's this belt that's gone. So we'll order another one of these belts and get that done. Get that all cleaned out in there now. Don't like seeing shit like that in it. Excuse my French. But the thing is, machines never come out. You never know until you get actually into the machine. You can see what it's like. So what I'm going to do now is go and get the vacuum cleaner, give it a good clean out in there. I've got the number of the belt I need, and I'll go and phone that up and order it, and hopefully it'll be here tomorrow or the next day, and then I can just get it on and job's a good one. Now the machines will still run without that one belt. I'll just show you it going. Looks as though I've got a bit of dough in there. Yeah, a bit of spare dough. So even if this is turned on like that, it'll still move. So what I've concluded so far is that the belt that's gone is actually the belt drive for the bowl. So that's good news. I'm happy days that it's not the actual spiral itself, because if you've got a little Kenwood mixer or a kitchen chef and your bearings or whatever they put in them these days goes, you're pretty much in a doghouse as a repair goes. With this, from my point of view, I shall have a go and see if I can put it right before calling an engineer. Because without a shadow of a doubt, it gives some idea, an engineer probably set me back 250 quid just for him to drive to here. Then to spend 20 minutes, it'll probably cost another 250 quid to actually do the job. So on my next stage, I'm going to give it a good clean out in there, order the parts, because I'm not too bothered, because it'll be okay, and for tonight, it'll manage. And then I've got my other machine if something really goes wrong. So we'll give that a go, give it a good clean out, and put it all back together, ready for all the parts to turn up. Looks a lot better than it was. And even underneath now, still a bit of flare in there, but I'll get that out next time round. At least it looks a lot cleaner in there. All ready for the new belt. I'll put the seal back on in the panel, and at least that's ready now. And in a couple of days' time, it'll be a reverse of what I've just done and fit the new belt. It looks as though it's okay, it's not so bad. I can't imagine it's going to take that long. Simple job. I'm in two minds whether I should actually replace all the belts and do the whole job all under one. I'm thinking about that. I might ask them when I'm on the phone whether I should replace all the belts. What I'll do is I'll take a photograph of the other belts, because there's 4 of those, and there's only 2 of those big ones. So if I get 2 big ones and the 4 small ones, that should be ideal. And give that a go. And I don't have to, I mean, that's 10 years. I've had this machine 10 years. So, and if that's the only problem I've had with it, oh, absolutely brilliant. You know, so there we go. Well, there's my daily vlog for today. Whether I've got anything going on tomorrow or not, I'm not sure. I have got some video releases coming up. So you've got some video recipes and another couple of things coming up shortly. I'm trying to mix these vlogs in with those videos so you don't have all the videos all at once. And I'll see you again very shortly on the daily vlog on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!